All right, team, listen up. Life gets hectic. You've got deadlines, errands, maybe even a little one or two running around. But guess what? You don't need a fancy gym or hours to spare to stay fit. We're about to smash those excuses with 5 easy fitness hacks that fit right into your busy day. Whether you're glued to your desk or constantly on the move, these tips will help you stay active and healthy. Get ready to level up your fitness game even on your busiest days. Let's jump right in. First up, we're tackling that workday stiffness with some desk stretches. Every hour, set a timer on your phone and take just a few minutes to stretch it out. Roll those shoulders back and down, reach your arms overhead, and give them a good stretch. Twist that torso side to side. Trust me, these simple moves work wonders for improving your circulation and easing tension. And the best part? You can do them right at your desk. No equipment needed. Short on time? No worries, I've got your back. This next hack is all about maximizing your workout in minimal time. We're talking about the power of high-intensity interval training, or HIIT for short. Think 30 seconds of all-out effort, like jumping jacks, burpees, or mountain climbers, followed by 30 seconds of rest. Repeat that cycle for a total of 10 minutes, and boom! You've got yourself a super effective workout. It gets your heart rate pumping, torches calories, and leaves you feeling energized and accomplished. So ditch the excuse that you don't have time for exercise. 10 minutes is all it takes to make a difference. Chapter 3, Snack Attack, Healthy Bites on the Go. We all know that feeling, you're rushing out the door, late for work, and your stomach starts rumbling. But hold on, before you reach for those sugary snacks, let's talk about healthy snacking on the go. One of the easiest ways to stay on track with your fitness goals is to be prepared. Pack a small bag of mixed nuts, grab a piece of fruit, or toss a protein bar in your bag. These quick and nutritious bites will give you the energy you need to power through your day without derailing your healthy eating habits. Your body will thank you for it. Chapter 4. Walk it out. Sneak in steps anywhere. Let's talk about sneaking in some extra movement throughout your day. You don't need to run a marathon to reap the benefits of walking. Park a little farther away from your destination and enjoy a brisk walk. Even better, turn your phone calls into walking meetings. Pace around your house or office while you chat. Remember, every little bit counts. So lace up those trainers and get moving. Chapter 5. Hydration Station. Water is your best mate. Alright team, let's talk about the unsung hero of fitness, hydration. Make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. Staying hydrated keeps your body functioning at its best, helps your metabolism stay in check, and even helps curb those pesky cravings. So ditch the sugary drinks and make water your go-to beverage. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Outrow crush your fitness goals. There you have it, 5 easy fitness hacks to fit into your busy lifestyle. Remember, you don't need a complete overhaul to make a difference. Small steps, consistently applied, lead to big results. Which hack will you try first? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Remember, we're in this together. Hit that subscribe button and join the MaverixRealm community for more tips and tricks to crush your day.